Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create JustMarkets account. So all you need to do is open any browser and then type in JustMarkets and then open the first link and then go to register. Now you need to input the country of residence, your email, input a new password and then continue. After you are successfully logged in, you can choose to create a real or demo account and then press on open new account and then choose MT5 or MT4 and then choose the account type standard, pro, anything, and then you can press on try demo or open a real account, and that's it. After you press, for example, try demo, you will need to choose the currency and manipulate all these settings and to create the trading password, and then press on create account and the account will be created successfully, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.